Stretch Mitchell carves out for us a great big Cuban 8 in the show box. Let me tell you a little bit more about this incredible airplane. The Canadair CT-133 was a result of a 1951 contract to build T-33 Shooting Stars trainers for the Royal Canadian Air Force. The power plant is a Rolls-Royce Steam-10 turbojet instead of the Alison J-33 that was used by Lockheed in the production of the original T-33. Project designation of CL-30 was the name was changed to the Silver Star. Appearance of the CT-133 is very distinctive due to the large fuel tanks, usually carried on each wingtip. A total of over 650 CT-133 aircraft were built by Canadair. Service life in the Royal Canadian Air Force was extremely long. One of the more unusual roles it played was as an aerobatic demonstration aircraft known as the Royal Canadian Air Force Red Knight. Although the aircraft stopped being used as a trainer in 1976, there were still over 50 aircraft in the Canadian Forces inventory from slow-speed. Goes further back. November 8th, on June 23rd, 1943, General Hap Arnold approved a letter contract for Lockheed to build the XB-80. The first XB-80, nicknamed Lullabelle, was built in the security of a temporary structure thrown together in 10 days from old engine packing crates. An entire machine shop was purchased so that the tools needed to build Lullabelle would not be taken away from the Lockheed assembly line currently in wartime production. 123 men, 23 engineers, and 105 shopmen worked 10 hours a day, 6 days a week to build the first XB-80. The head designer was none other than the famed Clarence L. Kelly Johnson. And on January 8th of 1944, just 203 days after the contract was signed, the XB-80 lifted off the dry lake bed with Milo Burcham at the controls. Top speed, 502 miles per hour. Putting the stick all the way to the left stop to get the turning T-33 to go through those aileron rolls. Two attacking MiG-15s stacked into the tail of one of them, poured .50 caliber fire into them until the MiG exploded. It was the first of 827 MiGs to be shot down in Korea. There's one to knife edge, 2 settle down, 3 back to knife edge, and 4. The 4-point hesitation roll. Here's our other left, coming in from the left.